Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Railway Maintenance Equipment Tender in Montenegro. The European Bank for Reconstruction and Development, EBRD, is administering a loan/grant to fund the Railway Maintenance Equipment Renewal project in Montenegro. The project aims to procure machinery for the maintenance of civil and electro-engineering infrastructure of the railway system. This procurement process, identified by ASEP ID 123699202, is an open tender conducted in two stages, for the acquisition of goods. The procuring entity is ZICG, and the project has been assigned the EBRD ID 51806 and can be found under the business sector of transport. The tender includes 4 distinct lots. Lot 1 is for a track tamping machine, Lot 2, which is for heavy rail machinery, which includes an OCL draisine and a track draisine. Lot 3 will be for a light rail machine and equipment for an accessory train, and Lot 4, a rail excavator with dual-mode road/rail capabilities. The invitation for tenders was published on January 6, 2025, at 8:31, and the related document were issued on the same day at 1400 hours. The closing date for submission is February 20, 2025, at 1400 hours.